Let's explore the functionality of the Smile editing screen. This screen includes selection and editing tools that allow you to simulate various treatments, such as gingivectomy, composite bonding, whitening, and more. Let's start by selecting the Extend tool. This tool allows you to extend the gingiva or tooth, simulating procedures like gum reshaping or tooth reshaping. You can adjust the size of the circular selection using the size scroll bar at the top of the screen. For best results, keep the selection size to approximately 1 tooth width. Now left-click and drag to extend the gingiva, simulating a crown lengthening procedure. You can also use the same technique to reshape the tooth, mimicking composite bonding. Check the preview screen to see the changes. Let's now explore the selection tools. There are two types: rectangle and freehand. The rectangular tool allows you to create a rectangular selection. Freehand tool lets you draw a custom-shaped selection. Let's now simulate a diastema closure using additive means. We'll begin by selecting the tooth using the rectangular selection tool. Make sure the edge of the rectangle aligns closely with the edge of the tooth. If needed, you can cancel and make a new selection. Once the selection is made, click the edit icon and use the middle control points to stretch the tooth. You may use the midline as a reference for alignment. Repeat the same process on the other side. You can also rotate, extrude, intrude, or move a single tooth, or even multiple teeth. To undo the last step, press the Undo button or use the Ctrl-Z shortcut. To reset all changes, click the Revert All button. We can also use the rectangular selection tool to simulate orthodontic tooth movement. Select the entire quadrant of teeth, making sure the edges of the rectangle align with the edges of the teeth. Then, click Edit, and use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the selection and simulate repositioning. Click the preview to see the changes. The whitening tool helps simulate bleaching treatments. Increasing the whiteness value by +10 is equivalent to 1 cycle of in-office whitening. +20 simulates 2 cycles and so on. The mirror tool can be used to mirror one side of the smile to the other. Start by adjusting the selection size to approximately 1 tooth width. Then, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard and left-click to copy the area. Take the mouse to the opposite side where you want to paste and left-click and move.